Hello guys, good evening. Welcome to my channel. This is Elmer Clark. Tonight I cook some chicken with white squash. Here they are. I put some garlic, onions, red pepper, ginger, bocalion, and black pepper to taste. Water too. Once again, welcome to my channel. This is Elmer Clark. Here they are. Chicken with white squash, opo guys. In my country, Philippines, we call it opo. I'll make it tender. Well, this is it. Chicken soup with white squash. Once again, this is Elmer Clark. Chicken soup guys with white squash. Oh well, thanks for watching guys. See you in my next vlog. There's chicken here and squash. Alright, see you in my next vlog.